Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a VW Jetta tail light. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your Jetta is turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Next, open your trunk and locate the small access panel on the side, directly behind the tail light assembly you need to replace. This panel usually just pops open. Once the access panel is open, you will see one or two retaining nuts or bolts. Use your screwdriver or wrench to carefully unscrew these. After removing the fasteners, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight out from the vehicle body. Be careful not to force it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small release tab and pulling it apart. With the tail light assembly free, you can now access the individual bulb holders. Twist the specific bulb holder for the faulty light counterclockwise to remove it from the assembly. Gently pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Take your new bulb and carefully insert it, ensuring it is seated correctly and securely. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands. Now, reassemble everything in reverse order. Reconnect the electrical connector, then carefully push the tail light assembly back into its opening on the vehicle. Secure it by tightening the retaining nuts or bolts you removed earlier. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, turn on your Jetta and test the new tail light to confirm it functions properly before closing the trunk. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.